Hello and welcome to another official video. In this video we will fix the valve manifold assembly in 1000 series machine. First we need to fix our head in a proper way like you can see now, so then you can do work freely. Another thing, see, the way of the gasket must be like this. There is one spot, so when you see from this side there is sensor. On the sensor it must be on this side, so just like rotate it like this, and the first step we need to fix this pipe gently. Once the pipe is fixed, let's go like this here. So check from the surrounding your gasket is fixed properly. You can see from the side. So now the time to fix them back. Hydraulic lines which is coming from the core. So this is how we can fix the hydraulic head valves. So lose them, and now I need to tighten it like this all with my hand. Okay, do it manually. So this is how we can fix it. So after fixing, we need to see from the sides there is no any issue in the gasket or any other part. So this is how we can replace the valve. Thank you.